Hello guys, welcome back to Root Mentor. Hope you like our video on laptop buying guide. If you have not watched that yet, click on the card above. In this episode, we gonna take look at the 10 Windows shortcuts that should be known to all the users. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and share this video to your friends, so that it reach to all the Windows users. Without a further go, let's start this episode. Shortcut 1, Task Manager. When you are stuck at a program and it stops responding, click Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. This takes you to window like this. Now click on Task Manager. This will open a Task Manager. Select the program that stopped responding and click End Task. And now you can restart the program. Shortcut 2, Alternatives for cut and copy. As we know, to copy we use Ctrl plus C and for cut Ctrl plus X. But we can do it in a different way. For copying, hold Ctrl and drag the file you want to copy to the destination. For moving, hold Shift and drag the file you want to copy to the destination. Simple, right? Shortcut 3, for creating a links. To create a link for your application, simply hold Ctrl, Shift, and drag the program to your desired location. That's it, a shortcut to your program is created easily. And the next one, 4, Desktop Hacks. To come directly to the desktop without minimizing all running programs, simply use Windows and D, this will directly takes to desktop. And then if you want to open File Explorer, use Windows and E. This opens the quick access for Windows 10 and My Computer for below versions. Shortcut 5, New Folder. Creating a new folder is very easy, but knowing this shortcut makes it faster also. So the shortcut to create a new folder is Ctrl plus Shift plus N. Boom. A new folder is created. Shortcut 6, Renaming. To rename a file, we need to select the file and click F2. Now you can change the name. Shortcut 7, Permanent Delete. It is a big mess to delete file permanently without going to recycle bin, but not now. If you want to delete a file permanently, select the file and press Shift plus Delete. Now no need to go to recycle bin from now. Shortcut 8, Opening Properties. If you always look to the properties of file, then you should definitely know this shortcut. To quickly open the properties window for a file, use Alt plus Enter. And now you can go through the properties of the file, without using the mouse. Wonderful, isn't it? Let's go to the next one. 9, Screenshot. Lot of people doesn't know that there is shortcut to take screenshot of window. For them, here is the shortcut. Use Windows and print screen. Ta-da! 10. Multitasking. If you are use multiple programs at same time and want to switch between them without closing them, use Alt plus Tab, which opens a screen like this. Now select the program to use and leave the keys. And we can easily switch between these programs. If you want to learn still more shortcuts, click the link in the description and download the Shortcuts PDF. This PDF contains an organized shortcuts list. That's for this episode. If you have not subscribed yet, just do it now, so that you never miss any of our videos from now. Our next video will be on Windows settings to be set for new bought laptops or systems. Thanks for watching this video.